Welcome to the show. We have a great show today. It's going to be a short one, probably short and to the point, but I thought it was time for an update. Now, those of you who are regulars at the channel, you'll probably be wondering, why am I squatting in the dark right now? And there's a good reason for that, and I think it's probably best if I just show you, if I don't blow myself up. Pretty loud right now. You see if I can feather that down a little. There we go. Now it's not really so bad. Anyway, as many of you have probably already surmised, this is the burner I've been working on. Now, I was planning to have this show up on Saturday, showing how I made all of this and put it together. That won't actually be done until probably tomorrow, optimistically. So if you're watching this in the future, I'll put a link right here, and you can go and see the whole how-to video of how I made this burner. And then that's going to be probably part one of a 2 or possibly 3-part series where I make a gas forge. Those of you who have been watching the show for a while know that I've been working with charcoal, and there's nothing wrong with that. I've actually had pretty good fortunes with charcoal, and I've made a lot of cool stuff, but I figured it was time to step it up to gas, and I finally got, like, the motivation and all of the parts and things together to do that. So as you're watching this, I'll be rolling in a little bit of the B-roll of the process of testing this thing and putting it together. But really, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update and also have a little bit of fun with this. One thing I noticed is that this thing puts out an absolutely intense, just staggering amount of heat, especially relative to anything I've been working with so far, except for maybe the oxyacetylene torch. So I just wanted to demonstrate by putting a piece of wood in front of that flame, and you can see how quickly it lights up. Now I've restricted some of the airflow to it, so that's a much richer flame. And I'm going to turn this way down. There we go. So anyway, that's the idea. Thanks for tuning in. I will have, like I said, probably tomorrow. I ran into some trouble along the way, but I should have the full build video coming out tomorrow. So look for that. Thanks again for joining me. Way more great things to come. I'm going to be building the rest of this forge, and then somewhere in here I'm going to try to work in subscriber builds to episode 4. So we got some really, really good ones coming out. Thanks again. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do go check out some of my other videos, and make sure to click that little bell icon there, the one that gives you the notifications, because I'm coming out with new stuff probably 2 to 3 times per week, sometimes more, and you definitely want to be notified. So thanks again. Stay tuned, and we will see you in the next video. Blow myself up. Whoa. There we go. Woo. All right, let's try this again.